I want to know
anything from me.
I want to know why you're putting your flashlight in my face when I'm driving by.
You need anything from me?
I'm a driving vehicle.
Do you need anything from me? Stop challenging the police, sir. I'm asking.
That's not a challenge.
You're challenging.
That's not a challenge.
Do not tell us what to do while we're working.
You can't solicit a trespass.
Are you a customer?
You can't solicit a trespass.
You can't buy anything.
I will.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's go see you solicit a trespass. Get it on video.
Please.
Thank you.
No problem.
What you're looking at right there, folks, is a disgusting face of a bootlicker. What you're about to see is a video of a cop who breaks the law, instigates a confrontation, and acts tough, only to get defeated. He ends up doing the walk of shame at the end. Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. This video comes to you by way of VMAC Audits America. Make sure to go subscribe and say hello. This guy records in the state of Arizona. Flashing a high-powered flashlight into a moving vehicle is against the law, but that's exactly what this cop does. He then instigates a confrontation. Check out the female cop in this video. She isn't bothered one bit by the videographer, but the male cop loses his marbles. Let's watch this video. We'll pause for some comments. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end.
You need anything?
Get your flashlight out of my face.
Okay. Why don't you come tell me?
What?
Why don't you come tell me?
What? What'd you say?
Huh?
What did you say?
What's the matter?
You heard what I said?
What's the matter?
You heard what I said?
Okay. What about it? You need anything?
Yeah, don't be putting your flashlight.
You need anything?
Don't put your flashlight in my face.
Oh, wait.
Let's go. Park correctly though. I don't think this is a parking space.
It's alright, it's private property.
Where's it going?
What you need, sir?
What's your name and badge number?
What do you need?
How dumb is this cop? He already asked him for his name and badge number 3 times.
What's your name and badge number?
What do you need, sir?
What is your name and badge number?
Aragon. My badge number is 328. Do you need anything from me? Because I'm conducting an investigation.
I want to know.
Do you need anything from me?
I want to know why you're putting your flashlight in my face when I'm driving by.
Somebody just got stabbed here. Okay? Stay back.
Okay.
Somebody just got stabbed here, and I'm looking because he's supposed to get picked up.
I'm a driving
Do you need
vehicle.
anything from me?
I'm a driving vehicle.
Do you need anything from me?
I'm a driving
I'm asking
vehicle.
you a question. Do you need
Yes.
anything from me? Okay, because
Call
right
your
now,
sergeant.
I need you to move back, okay?
I'll move back.
Yeah, like
There, I'm
wait,
out of
you
back.
See where my car's at? Behind that, please.
No, there's no law that says I need to go back.
You need to move.
What's the law?
Okay? I'm asking you. I'm just asking you to move.
Okay, you're asking me. Call your sarge.
I am the sergeant. I am the
Oh,
supervisor.
you're your
Yes,
sarge?
sir. So, can you step away? I'm gonna finish my call and then we can talk.
Then call your boss
Yeah,
then.
I can call my commander. I'll give you his number. What else do you need?
Call him right now.
What else do you need?
You heard me.
Do you need anything else?
You better stop bothering the police, alright, you motherfucker?
Do you need anything else? Sir,
No,
do you need anything else?
no, yeah, you
Okay,
do your
I'm gonna face
investigation.
away from here. I don't want you behind me. Okay, can you stay over here, please? You can film me. I'll let you stand by my car right here.
No, you don't let me do nothing.
You can film me.
You don't let me do nothing. I let you get back to work.
Do you need anything else?
I let you get back
Okay,
to work.
Now, you need to move, please. I'm asking you, please.
Yeah, you're asking me. That's not a lawful order.
I'm asking you. Do you want me to tell you? Or do you want me to make it?
You gonna arrest me if I don't move?
I could. Yeah.
No, you can't.
Oh, yes, I could.
No, you'd be violating my rights.
No, you approach me. So,
I'm not investing.
you approach me while I'm working. So, what do you need? Do you need anything else?
Yeah, I told you. I'm waiting for your commander.
Okay, yeah. Wait over here.
I don't have to wait where you
Sir,
tell me to
over
wait.
here. I'm gonna finish my job and I'll go talk to you right now. Okay? Can you do that?
I could record. You're violating my First Amendment if you tell me to leave.
Okay. All right, sir. Stand over there. Hey, can you take her walk? Now, call him out.
He has a mask. We saw.
Where at?
He was walking.
Tell
A white mask? A white mask?
You guys dating?
Hey, what's up? No, he's just recording.
Okay, it wasn't it.
No?
He had a white mask.
Can you follow him?
Yes.
Okay. So let's keep circulating. You need anything else?
Yeah, you know it's illegal to shine your flashlight on somebody when they're driving?
This is the second time you drive by here. So she's showing her if the person, your passenger, is the person we're looking for. So that's why I shine my light at you. Okay? Any other questions?
That's illegal.
No, it's not. It's
It
not
is.
illegal. Tell me where it's illegal to do that.
You could cause an
Tell me
accident.
where it's illegal to do that.
You want me to look up the ARS?
Sure, look it up. Look it up. Look it up. Follow her to 103, please. I'll see you over there. You need anything else from me?
Is your commander coming so I can wait for
My
him?
commander's not gonna come out.
Can I have a business card, please?
What's that? No, I do not have any business cards. I'll give you my name.
Who are you trying to come up behind all fast?
Hey, sir, stop challenging the police, please.
Trying to come up like a thug and shit.
Stop challenging the police, sir. I'm asking.
That's not
I'm
a
asking
challenge.
again. You're challenging.
That's
okay?
not a challenge.
Do not tell us what to do while we're working.
You don't tell me what to do if I have committed no crime.
So yeah, call the security so you can get him removed.
This cop just said call the security so we can get him removed. He's trying to solicit a trespass. Cops in Arizona are known to do this, folks. Keep watching because at the end of the video, he's going to try to actually solicit that trespass. I don't want to give you a spoiler alert, but you're going to love it at the end.
Call security so we can get him removed. You can't solicit a trespass.
Are you a customer?
You can't solicit a trespass.
You can't buy anything.
I will.
Okay, go ahead. Need anything else, sir? No? Okay, have a good night. Good night, sir.
Let's go see you solicit a trespass. Get it on video.
Alright. Please?
Thank you.
No problem.
This bootlicker right here.
I don't even like the cops, doggy.
Oh, you're just messing with me then?
Yeah. I've seen videos like you, dog.
Oh, I thought you were doing that.
I don't know how big You're lucky, bro. If it was old school sheriff, bro. Oh, you too? Oh, man.
Things are changing, bro. Back in the day, yeah.
You guys want to follow me? I'll give you guys better footage.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Was the officer trying to tell you to trespass me?
Yeah, you guys want like if you pick up the people out there, but
Here, I'll come over here. That's not working.
you had it on your card, that's why. I got you.
It's actually okay. I got all his money here. She's outside. She's paying me back.
As you guys seen, the cop tried to solicit that trespass. The clerk said, nah, man, he ain't bothering me. So the cop had no choice but to tuck his tail, do the walk of shame, get in his car, and do the drive of shame. This cop instigated this confrontation from the very beginning. He shined his flashlight inside a moving vehicle. In Bakersfield, California recently, there was a news segment about somebody who recorded a cop doing that exact same thing, and the people out here are outraged. Right now, cops have this thing called qualified immunity. As long as they say they're doing their job in good faith, the courts won't hold them personally responsible. But they're trying to propose that cops should have absolute immunity, folks. Think about that. They've lowered the hiring standards, and now they want to give undocumented people the position of being cops, and they want to give them absolute immunity. I don't think we have to worry about our country being overthrown by somebody else. Seems like our own country is doing a good job of that themselves. It's about time that we stand together, folks. Whether you're Republican or Democrat, red or blue, black or white, gay or straight, rich or poor, man or woman, pretty or ugly, it doesn't matter. In America, you guys have rights. If you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. And once you begin to know and understand what your rights are, you will begin to respect other people's rights, even if you don't agree with them. With that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you go subscribe to this guy's original channel. He's doing some outstanding work out there in Arizona. Cops definitely need to be recorded everywhere we go. Always record the police, folks. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.